Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can activate tab hover cards. If you don't know, hover cards is a way to identify and navigate through tabs. It's especially helpful when you are dealing with lot of Chrome tabs. Basically, if you enable this feature, then a preview image of the tab will be shown in the form of a hover card. This is a very useful feature, especially if you want a seamless navigation for your Google Chrome. So let's see how to enable it. First, let's open our Google Chrome. Now, since this is an experimental feature, it is only accessible via the Chrome Flex. If you don't know how to access the Chrome Flex, simply go to the search area or the search bar and type the following. Once you do, hit the enter key and you will see this window. Now, go to the search bar and type hover card, and here you can see the tab hover card images, and it shows a preview image in tab hover cards if tab hover cards are enabled. Now all you need to do is simply click on this drop down button and click on the enabled option. Once you do, it will ask you to relaunch the Google Chrome. Simply click on the relaunch button. Once you do, allow the Chrome to relaunch. And now let's test it by opening some Chrome tabs. I'm opening some random tabs just to test it out. And now if you will hover your cursor to over these tabs, you must see a hover card. As you can see that it is working quite well, and you can see the hover card images. Now if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.